How to fix bad quality TikTok uploads. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. Head over to apps. Tap on see all apps. Right here search for the application camera and head over to it. Over here you need to set the settings to record to highest quality. Well, if you have the 4K option on your device, you need to select that. Once it has been done, now the next thing you want to do is go back and head over to your application TikTok. And make sure you are logged into a specific account. Tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Now let me record one random video for now. Tap on this tick mark. And then tap on next. Right here you can see the option of more options. Click on it. Scroll down and the option of allow high quality uploads will be visible to you. In order to fix your bad quality uploads, you need to enable this option. Now whenever you upload the video won't be compressed and it will upload high quality videos. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix bad quality upload on TikTok. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.